Hi, my name's Becca. I was on the Emetophobia-Free Programme last year, and a year later I can really happily stand here and say that it's really changed my life. A year ago I was too scared to do so many different things, and it had impacted my life since I was 11 years old. I avoid drinking alcohol or staying out late, or avoid things like camping, eating things that I wasn't sure about, and it just affected me every day. It affected all of my thoughts every day. I felt sick quite a lot all of the time because my body was in constant fight or flight mode, checking to make sure I'm not going to be sick. Then I went into the programme, and I'm so pleased that I did, because it really helped me to understand why your body, like, to be really kind to my body, because it is trying to protect me. So really understanding that and not berating myself like I normally would have done. Thanking my body for, worrying about me, but gave me a real sense of understanding of why my body was doing what it was doing. And now I feel so much freer. So beforehand, I used to have night terrors. All of my chest would be ripped apart because at night I was having constant nightmares about being sick or other people being sick around me, and I was ripping my chest with my hands, and I was screaming and shouting in my sleep. This is completely stopped now. So it's not just like a surface level fix. This is like completely changed the way that my brain thinks about being sick or people being sick around me or feeling sick. It's just completely changed. I don't feel like I'm 100% there. I feel like I'm going to always be working on it and always continuing to strive to keep improving the way I see illness. I really, really loved the exercises exploring your sense of power and control. That really resonated with me, and that is the thing that definitely made the biggest difference to me. And just, I had that light bulb moment. It's always the thing I always think back to if I'm ever having the thoughts, any negative thoughts. So I just really love the programme. I have tried hypnotherapy, I have tried CBT, I've tried counselling, I have tried supplements, anything that I possibly could, and nothing had touched the sides. And this is the thing that's made the biggest difference. I'm sure that you've been in a similar situation to me. You've tried things. You've thought that this is just going to be the way that my life is. But I can honestly say that you can do something about it. Just give it a try. And I'm hoping that in a year's time it will be you doing one of these videos.